Hey everyone, this is Paul with McClelland, and today we're taking a quick look at the Panasonic PT VMZ71 series projectors. The VMZ71 series offers the world's lightest LCD laser projectors in models ranging from 4,500 to 7,000 lumens, making them ideal for portable use or installations. Unlike lamp light source projectors that dim over time, the solid shine laser light source utilized in the VMZ71 series projectors provides up to 20,000 hours of consistent brightness, with more accurate color reproduction, improved contrast ratio, and less regular maintenance. With support for input resolutions up to 4K, the VMZ71 series projectors offers both WXGA and WXUGA output resolutions up to 1080p full high definition, as well as support for 4x3 and 16x10 aspect ratio projector screens. Available in both black and white casings, as shown here, the VMZ71 series projectors can easily blend into any space. This has been a quick look at the VMZ71 series video projectors from Panasonic. For more information, please reach out to a specialist at McClelland today. Thanks for watching.